Hello everyone, welcome back to Mason Jar Garage. This is going to be a really short video today. We're just about to start into a build here, so I want to kind of bring everyone up to date with what it is, what we're doing with it, what the plans are. I've posted several shorts and TikToks about this small block Chevy 350, but this is it. This is a 1973 350 truck engine, 4-bolt main. No idea how many miles are on it, but it's in excellent condition overall. This was a casting code on there, if it'll focus. 0010 anyway. There we go. And then here's the front code. So anyway, we've got this engine. I picked it up on Facebook Marketplace for 150 bucks, condition unknown. It was just the short block, no heads, no accessories. Guy got it out of his grandfather's place after he passed. I've kind of been over all that in another video, but so I have cleaned this thing several times with oven cleaner, pressure washed it a couple of times, and then used some Zep industrial degreaser, which was by far the most effective, to get it nice and clean. You can see remnants there. I've washed a bunch of that out of here already. But so where we're currently at on it, I've got it completely stripped aside from a couple of bearing shells that are still in it. I'm going to use a ball hone on all the cylinders. They're in good shape. They just need to be touched up where they've got a little rust at the top of the cylinder walls. So I'm going to touch all those up with a ball hone. I've got a smaller ball hone that I'm going to go through all of the lifter passages with, because every single lifter in this engine was stuck in it. I had to knock them out with a hammer, and they didn't particularly look mushroomed. So I'm just going to clean up the cylinder passages there, or the lifter passages there. Make sure that everything fits well and that they can move. Lifters could still move in it just a little, but it was not much. Cooling passages actually look pretty good on here. I've cleaned those a bit too. Had some junk that came out of them. I have reattached the oil pan so that when I start honing this, it will catch the oil for me. It's a little bent up, so I've ordered a replacement for it. I have all the parts ready to go in here. I'm keeping the factory pistons, factory rods. Those were all good. Crank's good. Cam had a little damage, but I already had a new cam for it. New oil pump and pickup. New timing set, because the one that was on it actually broke during removal. That's a plastic gear. So that's kind of where we're at currently with this build. Now this will be going in the 78C10 that I've been working on. I got that one running, and it actually runs really well, but it appears to have a blown head gasket on it, and it's not the original engine to that truck. I have no idea what the condition of the lower end is, so I figured if I'm going to be redoing the upper end anyway, which I had planned to do cam and lifters and that kind of stuff in it, but if I'm going to be doing all that, I might as well just grab a bottom end and know what I'm putting in there. So yeah, we're going to be using. Now, I'm not planning any machine work on this. I've checked the bores with a dial gauge. Everything seems fine there. Nothing has been touched on this engine since it was new, best I can tell. Bearings for the mains, the rods, the cam, all of it was standard, and all of it was in really good shape. I wouldn't even touch the cam bearings, but I scarred up this front one just a little bit, removing the old cam. So I got a set. I'm going to take a better look at it and see how bad it is. If they're all really good and that's the only one, I might do what I shouldn't do and just replace that one. But yeah, this is going to be kind of a, not quite a junkyard build, because I didn't get it out of a junkyard, but same idea. Now the heads that I'm going to be putting on here, are kind of up in the air. I had a set of double humps that were at the machine shop, and they found a lot of issues, so I may be looking for another set of heads to go on it. The truck currently has the 882s on it that have the problem with the valve seats breaking. So I don't know what the condition of those are, if they've ever been redone. I know that engine that's in it is an original, and I don't think those heads are original to that block that's in there, so who knows, they could have been reworked at some point, but I'm not sure what I'm going to put on here yet, but I'm working on that. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the rest of the build over the next couple of weeks, just in the evenings as I have time to work on it. It's very cold here, so I can't work outside anyway. But yeah, that's where we're at. I'm going to get these cylinders honed first. Go ahead and knock out all the freeze plugs, because I've got a new set of those. Just all the stuff that makes sense to do when the engine's completely torn down, which is really everything. It's a small block Chevy, so it's not like any of it's particularly expensive. I've mixed and matched a few brands on bearings and stuff just because, one, I review shop, and two, some of it wasn't available all from one company in a speedy kind of way. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. That's it for this video. Next one coming up should be when I go ahead and hone out the cylinder walls, and hopefully we won't run into anything. I mean, I don't imagine we will, but you know how things go with old used parts. So anyway, again, I appreciate you watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. It really helps out the channel. I want to try to get this knocked out as quick as we can, so that when warm weather finally gets here, first thing I can do is swap out this engine. So thanks again. See you guys later.